guys, MacPro Expert here with a review of the Apple wireless keyboard. I got it about 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago. Got it off eBay. It's been working great. I use it a majority of the time when I'm not using the actual keyboard in my MacBook. This is what I use. It feels great, real solid. Love to use it. If I have any real likes about it is that it uses no battery. I've been using it for 4 months, and as you can see, I'll pull this up. I still have focus. I don't know if you can see, it says 100% battery. I haven't changed the batteries. One time. I do still run my computer on Snow Leopard, so I don't use really the F4 key, because on my computer it's still dashboard key, but I will be switching to Mountain Lion as soon as it comes out in this July. So yep, I love the keyboard. Feels real solid. It's actually this exact same chiclet keyboard that's on the MacBook, so I really love using it. Works great. Like I said, still have full battery. You have the power button on the side, which is for the first time you really need to use it, but you don't ever need to really power it up after the first time because it connects on its own. On this side you have, they say you need like a coin, but I just use my fingernail. This side you have for the batteries. Those are still the exact same batteries that I got with the keyboard. So there we go. Sorry, I had trouble getting this back on, but yep, it's real great. Works perfect. Like I said, I got it off eBay, and the only real complaint I have is sometimes it takes a little while for it to get connected back. Sometimes I have to go up into my Bluetooth settings and turn it and connect it back. Sometimes it doesn't work. See, it even has the light for the caps lock. F5 and F6 keys have nothing on them because obviously there's no backlight in this. The back of it's like a real nice plastic with the Apple logo on it. Some copyright information on the bottom with some feeties. It sits great. It doesn't, it moves a little bit, but it really does work great. And at the top you have indicator light. I don't know if you can see that or not, but yeah, there's an indicator light. That's pretty much it. Exact same layout as any other keyboard. You have your volume and stuff like that. So I'll be doing a review of my Magic Mouse right after this, so look for that.